We are really gonna check this is straight. Film it. I'm falling at the windows, looking at my heart. Start nodding my head like yeah. So I feel like it's a really 2013 thing to be like, hey guys, this is what I got for Christmas. I'm not bragging. Don't worry. Like, why?
Why do you think I'm showing it on the internet if I'm not trying to brag? You know what I'm saying?
You a broke bitch, kill yourself, let it haunt you.
So I'm not doing that video because why would I get people to hate me? That's sad. Anywho though, we hit 150 subscribers. So I guess I am doing the video because that's what viewers like and that's what makes money on YouTube. I'm only showing you guys makeup I got, but we're gonna be like applying the makeup I got.
But it's almost a challenge.
Like, I love how I'm trying to make this video like everything, but I'm just gonna be using only makeup and brushes that I got for Christmas.
Bitch!
I got a new beauty blender, which is such a new thing for me considering I usually use the same one for like a year, even though it like falls in trash and stuff.
Disgusting!
But it's okay, you know. It's okay. So, okay.
And Antonio Garza wannabe, like, stop.
Dragging myself. I need to really stop though. So for primer, we have the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. It's a little mini, it's a little tiny, it's a little cutie. Oh, it smells like so good. But we're just gonna, oh
my god, is that my pores?
This time won't you save me? This time won't you save me?
Bye!
So I feel like I'm about to get dragged like James Charles right now. I know you might be
wondering.
What? No one's striking you. No one cares.
For Christmas, I got this Becca Aqua Luminous Foundation. How exciting, right? But it's in the shade Light. And you would think,
Well, you're light. What's the issue there?
and the issue is I'm so pale that light probably wouldn't work.
So you can clearly see there's lines of like whiteness.
So that's why we're gonna use a stark white concealer. I got the Cover FX concealer in N Fair 2. I feel like that wasn't the shade I got, but whatever.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
This is what people tell you to avoid. They say like,
Don't go too light. Don't do all that.
and I clearly proved today that you don't have to follow the rules of makeup.
And anyone can do stuff.
So, let's blend.
And that can be all the things you're doing not to be. When you try and cover me, I keep on flourishing. And he's the universe when I'm in company.
Would this really be a challenge if I didn't cheat? I feel like every challenge I'm like, oh my gosh guys, this is gonna be so hard, and then I end up cheating, like, great job. I genuinely did not get a powder for Christmas. So the only powder I can use that will work is the Maybelline Fit Me. But I mean, it works.
So now we are bronzing / contouring.
I don't know why I enunciated that. I'm not like Nikki Tutorials. A little interesting.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
But we have this fan brush.
Flashback to one of my other videos, I said I hated fan brushes.
I did say that. I do remember that, but this fan brush is really good. Like, I can't ignore it. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Thank you, Ella.
Thank you, next bitch.
I can never tell if I'm doing too much.
I always end up going overboard in bronzing.
That's just me hating my paleness.
But if you want to do it too. We can over bronze together.
Disgusting!
Like, I feel like over bronzing is my life at this point. Next, what I got for Christmas is this Anastasia blush trio
From TJ Maxx.
This is, it's so good. So for lip products, this is the same thing. I got this Anastasia Kiss lipstick.
Ow, that really hurt.
Okay guys, so as you can tell, I really tried to make my lips look decent, but it didn't work. And now I know this is what you guys are most excited for. I know you've been waiting on this. I know you have. We're gonna do the eyeshadow. Did you really think I was gonna forget? No. I got a sister palette.
Oh, ooh, almost forgot.
This is my moment. I waited all my life. I could tell it's time.
So I'm really excited. But I'm gonna do, in this video, a nice neutral, ready toned eye.
You guys hate me.
I'm gonna be using the shades Punch Me, Tune,
Code James, 10% off.
You can use code James.
No Beans, and probably Tea. So I'm not gonna do a full-on tutorial right now, but just to know I am gonna be putting Tune in the crease. Guess whose camera decided to stop filming?
Mine. So I'm not gonna do a full-on tutorial right now.
So I just put on Tea on my eye, but now I'm gonna be taking the shade Code James and just kind of putting that in the crease. I am winging this out. Just a little, not too much, don't get twisted. Now I'm taking Tea and just putting it on top of that shade. And now I'm going to apply my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes.
Mascara.
Don't want to be that dramatic today.
Bitch!
I hope you enjoyed seeing the makeup I got for Christmas. I did get more makeup, but I don't think it's really possible to use
All of it?
That would be a little excessive if I used every single piece of makeup I got for Christmas. But thank you to people who got me stuff. Because, you know, it made me feel really special. Oh my god, there's 50% off at Forever 21. I gotta go. So I'm gonna go, look at the sale, get ready. What am I doing?